G'day, Chief. Welcome to the Inner Chief Podcast, episode 354. Today, we launch 2025. And I've just got three big questions for you to make sure if you can answer these three questions, I think you can make 2025 your best year ever. How to make 2025 your best year ever. Right, how are we going to do this? Question number one, right? What is my focus? What is my focus? Far too many of us are spreading ourselves thin. We're firing shotguns when we should be firing sniper rifles. I want you to get down to three things that you are going to achieve in 2025, right? One at work, one in your personal life, which is around relationships and things, and one around your fitness. Three big goals. If we're going to be great leaders, and by the way, the fitness might also be things like meditation, totally happy with that, right? What is the big outcome you're going to nail at work? What is the great thing you're going to nail from a relationship perspective? And what is the big thing you're going to do in a personal health and fitness? Three big goals, okay? That's number one. We want them not locked in so you can say to yourself, by the end of 2025, I'm going to have done A, B, and C, right? Question number two is, hey, what is my support crew, my entourage, right? How am I going to get there, right? So one of the things we find for things like the Mini MBA and the Council of Chiefs is it's that bouncing back of ideas, a little bit of coaching to ensure you get to your end game as fast as possible. So for instance, if one of your things was going to be, I want to meditate every week for the next year, get yourself a meditation coach. Don't try and do that on your own. Right, there's a reason the best in the world always have some sort of coach, right? It's not by accident. They always have them because they can just show you the next step, help you cut corners, make gains faster than ever before. What is going to be your support crew? So if you think about your big three things, hey, what is my support crew to get me there? My coach, my leader, my peers that are going to get me there. And if you've got those two things, you've got your focus and you've got your support crew, then like you're really on the way. Like it's going to be a big, big, big year for you. The third question, Chief, is where in my calendar, my operating rhythm, am I going to find time for deep thinking time? I spoke to you in the last episode just before the end of the year about the importance of focus, about the importance of creativity, right? About the importance of making sure we bring the human element to work again, right? That doesn't happen if all you're doing is rushing around being transactional. We've got to get off the dance floor. We're going to get up, nice and high, away from work, and we need to calm the farm and to breathe and to reflect on our work. If you add this into your year, then I absolutely guarantee you that things will work out better. Three resources to help you out with this, right? We have a game plan course on our website. It's really affordable for what you get out of it. You can go to Chief Maker and just look under courses called Game Plan. If you want to build your support crew, either join the Mini MBA or our Council of Chiefs. That'd be really, really big, right? And that's a wonderful opportunity for you to just absolutely skyrocket your skill set and massively increase your network overnight, okay? The third one is if you want to work out how to find that time to do deep thinking time is go to our website and look under resources. There's an operating rhythm download there for you, or just go to chiefmaker.com operating rhythm. And there's a download there that you can use that will help you work out how to structure your year so you get that deep thinking time. So Chief, if you do these big three things, get the focus on three big goals for the whole year, get your support crew around you, and make sure you've got the deep thinking time. Those are three foundational building blocks to all high performance. No high performance happens without those three big things. So make sure they're in your year ahead. This is going to be the best year ever, Chief. I know it's going to be the best year ever for you. So let's nail it. If you ever want to work with us at Chief Maker, just get in contact with us through the website or email me direct, greg@chiefmaker.com. All right, Chief, that's it for this week. As always, remember to stay epic.